Our goal for today is to determine the push and pull factors of our famous immigrant and what impact our famous immigrant had on history. To research further Albert Einstein, I go back to Google. You'll notice that I did not put in push or pull factors. Because Google has a tendency to be sensitive, it's important that we say specifically what we need. Reasons why he came to the U.S., as you know, are pull factors. I see Albert Einstein's biography popped up. Let's check it out. As I look through the information about Albert Einstein, I'll go to the bottom because I know he came to the U.S. after he had done a lot of things in his native Germany. You'll see here that by 1930, he was making international visits again. However, we see a third visit to the United States in 1932 was followed by the offer of a post at Princeton, which means a job. So I will go back to my guide and remember that that's actually a pull factor. So on pull factor, I say Albert Einstein came to America because he was offered a job at Princeton University. When I go back to my website, if I continue reading, I will find the following. The idea was that Einstein would spend 7 months a year in Berlin, 5 months at Princeton. Einstein accepted and left Germany in 1932 for the United States, what we know as a pull factor. However, if we continue reading, we actually find our push factor without leaving the website. The following month, the Nazis came to power in Germany, and Einstein never returned there. So I go back to my guide, and I go to push factors. Albert Einstein left Germany because the Nazis came to power. As I continue reading, in the same website, I actually can find impacts that Einstein made on history. If I go back up just a little bit in my website, I find this sentence. Einstein received the Nobel Prize in 1921, but not for relativity, rather, for his 1905 work on the photoelectric effect. I would say that is an impact on history, so I'll use it in my guide. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for his work with the photoelectric effect. To make sure everyone can see my answers, we're going to make it just a little bigger. As you will see, I've given you examples for one push factor, one pull factor, and one important impact that Albert Einstein made on history. Now, it's your turn to do the same for your immigrant. Good luck!